Honda is making another breakthrough in the automotive world with a rumor making the rounds in Japan saying that Honda might replace the CB1100 with a new motorcycle model. As we all know, Honda's air-cooled inline four-cylinder CB1100 will soon be abandoned. This is influenced by increasingly stringent environmental emission regulations. The latest news is that Honda will launch an African-based retro model to replace the outgoing Honda CB1100, and there are already renderings for your reference. The bike in question is the much-talked-about Hawk. From some info circulating, it shows that Honda is working on a motorcycle derived from the Rebel 1100 chassis. It looks quite similar to the Rebel with a rather high bone line. According to sources, the motorcycle will be built on the Africa Twins semi-double cradle tubular steel frame. Regarding the model, Honda proposes a rounded shape similar to the current G-Beats 350 model. In addition to Honda's signature Hawk style, which is similar to the GB's ambience with a bare two-cylinder engine and has a Hawk style. The Honda Hawk will use the CRF 1100L parallel twin engine that is also used in the Africa Twin, Rebel 1100 and Northern Territory 110. The name is actually taken from Honda bikes of the past, specifically the 1977 CB400T, which also featured a parallel twin engine and was known as the Hawk in some parts of the world. Of course, in order to get close to the retro style, this bike will still make some targeted preparations, such as the same double-gun rear shock as the Rebel 1100, such as a separate handlebar with full retro coffee. There is currently no official response from Honda regarding the Hawk 1100, but Japanese media suggests it is only a matter of time before the two-cylinder street car is launched. It is still uncertain when the new Hawk will appear, but a report in Japan suggests that the bike will be introduced at two separate locations, one in Osaka and then at the Tokyo Motorcycle Show. More interestingly, some reports say that the all-new Transalp and Hornet will also make a surprise appearance alongside the Hawk 1100.